Hello everyone, my name is Jack, and I am the product manager for ZKTeco Access Control Solutions. In today's presentation, we will discuss how ZKTeco is transforming the future of access control with innovative centralized solutions. By shifting from traditional 8 terminals to a centralized architecture, we enable simple deployments, lower infrastructure costs, and smart system-wide management. I'm excited to introduce 2 cutting-edge products that form the backbone of our next-generation access control ecosystem. One is the InBioPC Rackmount Primary Controller Series, while another one is the KR900 RFID Reader Series. Firstly, let me give you a quick overview of the 2 products. The Rackmount Primary Controller InBioPC Series that integrates seamlessly with D10 Duan units, creating a centralized and modular access control system. The KR900 RFID Reader family have 6 models compatible with different installation standards. Let's begin with the first new product, Rackmount Primary Controller. The InBioPC series consists of 2 models tailored to meet different access control requirements. InBioPC-400 supports 4 doors when paired with the D10 Duan unit. InBioPC-800 supports 8 doors. Both models can work seamlessly with D10 Duan units. The InBioPC series is designed with a forward-thinking approach. It's designed in a standard 1U server rack size, compatible with standard server racks, integrating seamlessly into IT environments. For the device features, onboard visual indicators, real-time status lights for power, running, network connectivity, alarms, and door status, making the system monitoring simple and efficient. The alarm interface is supported 2-in and 2-out. Multiple function reset button and support update the device firmware via USB, reboot the device, and restore factory settings. The LAN port for high-speed TCP communication, ensuring the reliable data transfer. The PoE ports power and connect D10 Duan unit, minimizing installation complexity. This innovative design ensures flexibility, ease of operation, and efficient system performance. The InBioPC series built-in power management system. The power input operates on a wide voltage range of AC 100 to 240 voltage, making it suitable for global deployments. The power output, the PoE ports compliant with IEEE 802.380 standards, deliver 30 watts per port, supporting up to 4 or 8 D10 Duan units. The D10 Duan units is also designed to simplify power distribution. Power input fully compliant with IEEE 802.380 standard. The power output provides DC 12 voltage and 1 amperes, sufficient to power most door locks. The InBioPC series offers key advantages when it comes to installation. Compared to the traditional systems, InBioPC series uses a single PoE cable connects the D10 Duan unit, reducing wiring lengths to just 3 to 5 meters. That means no need too much cable, no need for additional power supplies. We analyzed the cost and time savings provided by InBioPC series showed that it can make the material costs reduced by up to 10% thanks to the simplified wiring and integrated PoE capabilities. It also can improve the installation time by 20% with the Rackmount installations. InBioPC Series built-in web server function, accessible via a PC browser for remote configuration, and also with the Wi-Fi AP mode, allows direct connection to the controller and using a mobile phone for on-site setup. The D10 Duan unit is a professional-grade PoE module designed specially for the InBioPC series. The InBioPC controller powered and connects D10 via PoE. The D10 interface supports locks, door sensors, X button, RS-485 readers, wagon readers for in and pull out, and X inputs and outputs. For the data management, the D10 stores no user data. All access data is centrally managed by the InBioPC controller. This modular design enables scalable and flexible door management. The InBioPC series supports a range of authentication methods, fingerprint biometrics, RFID cards, passwords, and QR codes. The device capacity supports 30,000 users, cards, QR codes, and for the fingerprint biometric, it supports 4,000. The transaction capacity is 200,000. The InBioPC series is built with advanced security protocols to protect sensitive data, support HTTPS, SSH, AES 256, and TLS 2.0. These features ensure compliance with the latest cybersecurity standards. The PoE ports on the InBioPC series support two working modes. The default mode is power and manage D10 door units for door control. It also can convert to switch mode, support third-party PoE or TCP device. Each port can be configured individually via web server. The InBioPC series integrates seamlessly with the ZKTeco security software platform, delivering advanced features that empower administrators to manage complex access control systems effectively. This diagram shows how the InBioPC series integrates with the D10 door unit to create a complete and scalable access control solution. For the InBioPC-800, managed up to 8 D10 units, supporting up to 8 doors. The InBioPC series offering multiple installation options to suit different deployment environments. Rackmount idle for IT environment, equipped with server racks. The wall mount suitable for flexible deployment scenarios where rack installation is not feasible. The InBioPC series is suited for a wide range of applications, including airports and transit stations, office buildings, prisons, hotels, and hospitals, and also in some IT rooms and data centers. This series is a versatile solution for enterprises that demand scalable and secure access control. Now, let's watch a video of this primary controller. This is the powerful Rackmount primary controller. However, this product can give you a new choice in as control solution. The second new product is the KR900 RFID Reader Series. This series includes 6 models, each designed to meet various installation standards. The first 2 models compatible with mounting mounts, ideal for narrow installations. The middle 2 models designed for single gun box and European gun box with a back box. The last 2 models compatible with Asian gun box. Additionally, all models support flat surface mounting, making this series adaptable to any environment. The KR900 series is suitable for indoor and outdoor use with an IP65 dust-proof and waterproof. The KR900 series supports dual-frequency RFID technology, can read the ID card and IC card at the same time. This dual-frequency capability ensures future-proof. The KR900 series offers 2 communication modes, WAN only or WAN and RS-485, and also support OSDP. The KR900 series, each model is equipped with a temper switch that triggers an alarm if the device is moved, and the event where WAN or RS-485 logged in the system software. This feature enhancing the overall security of your access control infrastructure. This configuration shows KR900 series can seamlessly integrate to ZKTeco standalone device or controllers. KR900 series offers a range of access control systems. For ZKTeco standalone device via WAN, and for controller via WAN and RS-485. For third-party access control systems, compatible via WAN or OSDP. This versatility makes the KR900 series an excellent choice for both new installations and upgrading existing systems. The InBioPC series and the KR900 series form the backbone of secure, scalable access control infrastructure. Combined with intelligent terminals, they unlock a complete future-ready access ecosystem powered by AI, built for performance. Thank you for exploring these 2 cutting-edge products with me.